Can CPAP really work with no headgear?
Tired of dealing with the headgear for your CPAP? Well, there's no headgear CPAP with Bleep Dreamports. I'm going to do a review on this. Stick with me. I'll show you how to put them on, how to take them off, whether or not they're going to work for you, whether or not they leak. Let's take a look. Bleep Dreamports. Get rid of this. Bye. Whenever you purchase the Bleep Dreamports, you get this package, you get an extra box, and you get a canister, a jar. So before you start, it's very important that the oils from your skin, especially around your nose area, are completely removed. So Bleep Dreamports have come up with Dream Preps. And in this little jar, you simply have a number of these little Dream Preps, and they're moist. So you definitely want to be sure to put the lid back on this every single time. And you just take one and you wipe it around your nose, make sure that all of the oil from your skin is removed. So actually, you may want to do that a few minutes before you actually put the Dreamports in place. And that is so you can be sure that it's completely dry. Okay, you've cleaned the skin around your nose and around your nostrils, making sure there's no makeup, no oil. You've given it a few minutes to dry, so it's time to actually place the Dreamport adhesives in place. They come in a box like this. There's actually 16 nights worth. There's 32 in a box. There's 16 nights. Whenever I purchased this, I got a package, so I got actually 2 boxes of these. So I have a full 32 nights worth in this package deal. Just want to show you what it looks like whenever it comes out of the package. You've got several on the sheet right here. So we're going to go ahead and install these Dreamport adhesives. As you can see, it actually is just it's almost like a really strong Band-Aid, and it's a tiny little bit flexible as well, which I believe is going to make it more comfortable. And it's definitely the end with nothing that's going to your nose. Whenever I'm about to place this, I could place it to my nose like so or like so. So it's important that you get the angle just right. And this is something that may take a little bit of practice, but check this out. All right, so right to the nose. And then put a little pressure all around to make sure it's really stuck really nicely on there. All right, so we got one in place. Yeah, I can still breathe through that, no problem. All right, let's get number 2 here. Take it off the sheet. Again, the angle is very important, and it's nice to use a mirror too. So you just place it. I'm pulling my lip down a little bit also, not too much. I don't want to distort things, but just pull the lip down a little bit. Okay, so now I'm just putting some pressure to make sure it's really stuck really strongly. And by the way, this is super comfortable. It really doesn't feel bad at all. I can tell that it's there, but it's not bothering me at all.
My first try connecting the Dreamport to the connector was a bit challenging. I actually had a good bit of trouble keeping it from leaking. Second attempt was better, but it did still leak. On the third attempt, everything went way better. I was able to get the ports connected to the connector, all 4 clipped in place. There was absolutely no leaks.
All right, so I have it in place. I know this looks super cool, doesn't it? So just remember, this is all for the purpose of not having to have any headgear whatsoever. So the other end of this is going to connect to my CPAP tubing. Okay, I think I've got them all in place now. All 4 clips on each side are clicked in place. I've got my hand over the end. Feels like 0 leaks are happening. And so now let's do a mask fit test. Okay, hey, that was the pressure of 12. Let's bump it up. Let's go to 16. All right. Wow. Wow, that was fantastic. 0 leaks. 0 leaks. Now you press these, that releases it. And then to actually let me turn the machine off. All right. And once you have that released, finally, these will come off either in the shower in the morning. If they're wet, and soapy, they'll come off a little more easily. If not, then you just grab the top of it right here. Once you get a little piece of it, it doesn't hurt at all. Okay, so once you get these off, they are single time use, just one set each night, and you get enough in our package to have for 32 nights. And you know, that did take me 3 tries to get it right. The real key to making this work, 4 little pins in there that all 4 have to be attached. Otherwise, there are leaks. But it's just a matter of a little practice. It took me 3 tries. I imagine it might take you 1 or 2. And I would have to say, Dreamports, 5 stars, no headgear. I really love it. Well, thanks for watching. We have another video for you. If you'll just stay tuned, check out this video right here.